Your vehicle may have a feature that can let you know when you're drifting out of your lane so that you can adjust your steering to stay within it. This feature can also help direct you back into your lane if it detects that you're drifting out of it. Let me tell you about it. The lane keeping system consists of lane keeping alert and lane keeping assist. These features all utilize a forward-facing camera to detect lane drift and can work together or alone. To use the system, first press the on-off switch on the end of the left-hand stalk to turn the lane keeping system on. It will remain on for future vehicle starts unless you turn the system off. If you've started your vehicle using MyKey, the system will turn on automatically with the alert mode selected. If you want to change the strength of the vibration your vehicle gives you, you can adjust the intensity setting via the message center and the steering wheel controls. The lane keeping system will remember the changes you make, so you won't have to reset them the next time you turn on the system. Once it's activated, use the 5-way control on the left side of your steering wheel to choose your settings. Select Driver Assist, then Lane Keeping System. This is where you can switch between modes. There's Alert, which lets you know if you're drifting out of your lane by sending 3 short steering wheel vibrations to warn you to steer your vehicle back into its lane. Aid, which uses the steering system to gently help direct you to steer your vehicle toward its lane. Or both, which enables the Alert and Aid mode together. It's important to remember when selecting the combined mode, you won't feel the alert vibration until you're further out of your lane. Now, when the system is on and you're driving, you'll see a vehicle icon with lane markings in the information display. If the lines are gray, you're either driving too slow for the system to work, the road has poor lane markings, or the camera cannot see the markings because of weather conditions. Once conditions are favorable for the system to work, the lines will turn green. This means it's ready to go. When you see yellow, the Aid mode is active, and you'll feel the steering wheel move a little to help direct you to steer back into your lane. If you see red, the Alert mode is active, and you'll feel the steering wheel vibrate. And if you don't see any lines, the system is off. Keep in mind, using the turn signal for lane changes deactivates the lane keeping system, so it won't interfere during daily driving with frequent turns and stops. One more thing, if you're driving and don't have a firm grip on the wheel, or if you're on a straight part of the road that doesn't require much steering input, you may receive a message in the information display, along with an audible chime for you to take action. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.